Yes, let's drink. Good morning. Happy Friday. Happy weekend, everyone. Let's drink coffee in the balcony before I do anything. The sun is there. Okay, the sun there. The sun is just brown and red. See, the sun is in my head. It's weekend again, guys. But until now, I don't have salary yet. I need to pay my SSS. Let's drink coffee. I'm wearing my thick jacket. I'll eat noodles. So hot. Want to hot soup in the morning. See, the sun is in there.